Does the hiatal hernia take pressure off the vagus nerve? Yes. A lot of people are buying vagal nerve stimulators for hundreds of dollars, which is way overpriced. And they think they're going to stimulate the vagus nerve from the neck. And yes, they can, okay. But everybody with hiatal hernia, acid reflux, GERD, heart palpitations, panic attacks, heart racing, all of those symptoms, anxiety, all of those symptoms from GERD, acid reflux, and hiatal hernia. So the underlying cause of that is pressure on the vagus nerve at the gastroesophageal junction, right here. And unfortunately, this diagram doesn't show the two vagus nerves that run up alongside the esophagus through the hiatus. So I'm gonna put my own picture up that shows the vagus nerve, the neuroanatomy, not just the anatomy like this, right? This is obviously diseases of the digestive tract. It's got all different diseases here. And you can see right over here, a hiatal hernia, right? So let's just zoom in there, okay? And you can see here the diaphragm and the second stomach right above the diaphragm. But I'm gonna put my own picture up, and that picture is gonna show you guys that the vagus nerve runs right through alongside the stomach and through the hiatus or the diaphragm, the little slit in the diaphragm alongside your esophagus. When your stomach is herniated up in that tiny little slit in the diaphragm, it's going to put pressure on your vagus nerve. That's why the best way to take pressure off your vagus nerve is the hiatal hernia maneuver, pulling the stomach down. And there's only one product that does that, my patented device called the Reflux Shield. That literally resets the phrenoesophageal ligament, pulls the stomach down below the diaphragm, and takes pressure off of the vagus nerve. Now, what does the vagus nerve control? It controls acid production, it controls your heart rate variability, but it also controls the strength of the lower esophageal sphincter, which keeps the acid in the stomach. So if that nerve is being pinched or compressed, it can produce more acid, weaken the lower esophageal sphincter, and cause your heart to race like crazy. And there's the connection. Thanks for tuning in. Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.